Hello, everyone. So, first off, I just want to say I'm sorry. Alright, I'm sorry. If you're new here and wondering why I'm apologizing, is because this story was supposed to be out 2 months ago, and I keep delaying it. I could I could go through all the things that happened that caused this, but I can just say I was a bit lazy. But anyways, let's cut into the chase. Alright. So, alright, so what we are planning to do here is we're gonna make a walk animation, and in that walk animation, I'm gonna make the character in the final result, uh, grab a gun, grab an item, and anything that you want really. Alright, so just start by posing. I'm not gonna question that. By the way, I'm using a slight older version. I feel that this one have the best in between. I don't know about the future ones, but I just like this one really a lot. Yeah, just export your animation, export the FBX. Okay, yeah, make sure it's binary, bake animation on. Yeah, okay, now we're just gonna export it. We're gonna go to Blender. As of right now, I'm using 4.0. Okay, so this is the animation we are having right now. Okay, looks good. Looks really fine, actually. Now, how can we attach like a gun? I think this was like a Black Ops 2 or Black Ops 3 gun. I'm not gonna make the poses for the gun, for the hands. I'm just trying to make this tutorial really quick. Yeah, one thing, if you are making this animation for Unreal, make sure to do these steps. First off, just delete everything. Delete anything, and now goes to the units and the scene properties and make 0.01. Now, like scroll down so you can zoom out and change the view to 0.01 and the end to 1000. Now just import that again. Now for Unreal Engine you can already have an IK handgun bone, which is I really suggest to use. For this one we have none. Okay, sure, we can make our own, no problem. As you can see, you can move the hand really. Yeah, to move the elbow, just you can move it from the shoulder or the elbow itself. Yeah, but by the way, for rotation, I'm using R. It's the shortcut for rotation in Blender. You can just press R and it rotates from the view. If you double press R, it rotates in a 3D matter. If what I'm saying makes sense. Alright, so I'm gonna pause this really quick. So what you wanna do is press into the IK bone, shift and press into the weapon bone. Now control shift C, hold these guys and go to child of constraint. I'm sorry, it should be the opposite. Press the weapon, then shift IK bone, control shift C. Now we just applied some constraint. Again, same thing. Boop. Now, yeah, now it's got an IK. But you will notice this. When we apply the animation, it's gonna look like this. The reason being is the weapon is not following the motion of the character. And what you can do, you can child left constrain the weapon with with the chest bone. And now, what we need to work on is the elbow. Okay, so because we changed the elbow here, and it's baked, so it means we can't really change it. What you want to do is basically delete everything. Hey, okay, so it's me again. I just wanna say I didn't notice something that it should have been done, but well, you will make a mistake, right? Okay, so what I did wrong is that I didn't make the animation static, or like it's not in the same position. It's still moving. It's still getting away from the origin, which is not what you want. Alright, so how can you fix that is basically go to frame 1 and make an empty, scale it up a bit so you can see it. Now go to the constraint, go to copy location, pelvis. So basically it's given us the location of the pelvis. Now you want to apply this, key it. Now what you want to do is basically go to the pelvis and copy a location of the empty. And okay, don't do it in the constraint, but in the bound constraint. Now just remove X and Z, and here we go. In Unreal, what you want to do is just make a socket on the weapon bone itself, and then just make a socket in there and drop the weapon into that socket without changing anything. The weapon should looks like this out of the box. Alright, finally I can now sleep in peace that I did this tutorial, and see you into the next one. Bye bye.